ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਰਟਰੇਟ ਦੀ 17th ਪਰੇਡ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਗਰ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ। There is several parades which happen around April and in May, but this parade is a very unique parade. This is the only parade which I have seen where the Sikh nation's flag is raised every year, and which is a unique achievement for the Sikhs of Carteret. And I must thank Mayor Raymond for his support in making this happen. As you are all aware, Vaisakhi is one of the most important festivals of Sikhs. This is to celebrate our birth, Khalsa Sirjana Divas. All over the world, this is celebrated with great pomp and show and joy and celebrations. The parade in Carteret is the symbol that Sikh nation, Sikh people are sovereign and they have their own flag and they are right now fighting to get sovereignty from Indian government. So this is why this parade becomes so special. You have seen all over here the flags of Khalistan. You are all aware that Khalistan is the name of Sikh homeland, Sikh sovereign country. And you also may be aware that there is a referendum which is going on called Referendum 2020 for several years to get Sikh voters to enlist the support for sovereign Khalistan. The next, on August 17th in Washington, D.C., there will be a referendum where a lot of Sikhs from Mid-Atlantic will go there and vote for the freedom of Khalistan. You know, New Jersey is a unique state. New Jersey is the only state in the country which has two Sikh laws. April 14th was declared as Sikh Day to honor Khalsa Sirjana Divas Vaisakhi, which was passed by New Jersey Assembly, New Jersey Senate, and then both bills are sponsored by Senate President at that time, Steve Sweeney. And this was later signed into law by Governor Murphy. So this is an evergreen law. So we should be celebrating Vaisakhi and month of April. Like February is a Black History Month, April is the month for Sikhs. And government has given instructions to all the educational schools and departments that they should talk about Sikhism. I will encourage you to approach your local district, the superintendent of school board, so that you can go there and talk about Vaisakhi, the most important festival of Sikhs, so that the identity problem which we Sikhs face will go away in this manner. So once again, I want to congratulate the Sangat of Carteret, Mayor Raymond, for arranging this unique parade. Vaiguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaiguru Ji Ki Fateh.